Okay guys, okay, this is my YouTube channel, and today we're going to unbox my speaker, almost related to cycling. You can put it all around on your bike or in your back, but 80% of this box is all about sounds. We're going to reveal the UE Boom 2 Ultimate Ears Boom 2. Okay, now we're going to unbox it. Okay, there you go. This is the box. I think 7.5" the box. That's all of this box. Okay, we're going to unbox it quickly. Okay, hard case. First impression, hard case. Fantastic, high quality hard case of the speaker. And now we're going to unbox it. Okay, there you go. This is the speaker, our speaker. I think 400 grams the weight of this speaker. I think small but heavy. Okay, black speaker. Okay, the accessories of this speaker is flow green. This is the USB cable. I'm going to remain stuck. I have so many USB cable here. The charger, for the another type of wall socket. This one is going there because I have a lot of wall socket. Compatible. Okay, there you go. Charging. First impression, for the hard case, high quality hard case. Very reusable for our speaker there. If you're going for outing, or if you want to place it, there is your hard case. Okay, now we're going to see our main menu. Okay, our speaker, very heavy, volume up and down. So we're going to test. As you can see, the here, power, Bluetooth for pairing device, and okay, for USB cable or for the jack. Okay, if you want to put wire, and for the charging, USB. Okay guys, we're going to test the speaker of our speaker. As you can see, there is no bass on the top in the other side of our speaker. As you can see, no bass here. Okay, unlike the JBL Flip 3, you can see the bass, the top side and the other side of the JBL charger, Flip 3. Okay, now we're going to test our speaker. Only 30% of the volume. Okay, there you go. Here we go. Oh, what happened? Sorry for the inconvenience.
Bring it back, dollar DJ, turn it up. Better DJ, bring it back, dollar DJ, turn it up. Better DJ, bring it back, tell them play that shit again.
Sorry for the inconvenience, because my YouTube on my Samsung Note 3 is updated. Only 30%. Standard equalizer. On the stand, or rather standard setup. Some other review on YouTube about this speaker. This speaker is not totally compatible for listening music, movies rather than music. Later we're going to test listening some movie trailers with this speaker lately. After this, dollar DJ, turn it up. Better DJ, bring it back. Dollar DJ, turn it up. Better DJ, bring it back. Dollar DJ, turn it up. Better DJ, bring it back. Dollar DJ, turn it up. Better DJ, bring it back. Dollar DJ, turn it, 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 Okay, there you go. The bass or music testing of our speaker. Now we're going to check or view the another type of music sounds. Okay,
they're still on us.
as you can hear, now I'm testing the movie type.
What you want from me? I'm Roman Pierce, man. That's what I do.
One of the trailer
What's phase 2? Pounds away.
of the movie.
Holy shit.
You know what I like about you, Dom? You're a genuine outlaw, but you're family.
A hell of a job, brother. When we get back to the base, beer's on me.
He's about to go up against the only thing they can't handle.
Clear sound.
You. Did you ever think you'd betray your family the way you did today?
Dominic Toretto just turned on us.
Well, you look at that.
I don't know why he's doing this, but that wasn't dumb.
Okay,
She's the very definition of high-tech terrorism. And now, she's working with your guy.
I think I found my team.
This should be interesting.
Clear voice.
You want to play like that?
Ouch.
This is impossible.
Which is why you're gonna need a little help.
I will beat you like a Cherokee drum.
Only 30%
We about to
of the volume.
Oh, it took longer than I expected. If you're gonna catch Dom, you guys are gonna work together.
Surprise.
I just fell in love.
I've been waiting for this. We got a tank.
Let's roll.
Laying back in the cut like that.
Here they come.
I don't know if the old Dom is in there. I don't give a damn. I'm taking you down. So, Reto, let's play.
Why are they shooting at me?
I don't know. Maybe because you're in an orange Lamborghini?
Shut up, Cash.
Switch it up, like.
Switch it, speaker box blast, 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 blast. Speaker box blast, go rat tat tat tat. In fact, we about to go up like.
All around sound, baby.
Shit!
We're gonna need a bigger truck.
Peace, yo. Nice speaker for 117 euro.
You gonna turn your back on family?
Okay, guys. There you go, our speaker. My final thoughts. I like this type of speaker, Bluetooth speaker. 100%. You can use whether you like music or listening movies. This is also compatible for listening movies, not also in music. Okay, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. For my another video with this speaker, I'm going to show the waterproof capability and high volume. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up or comment. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.